Okay, to change your slider revolution or the big slider on your home page, we're going to come up here and go to visit site. And what we're going to click on right here is slider revolution and then slider 2. That's the slider that I set up. Okay, so all we have to do with this slider revolution is to right click here and go to edit media library, and you can upload a photo. Now remember the photo, this one's 1920 by 900 pixels. So you want it to be a really big photo or else it'll look pixelated. But you know, these are already in there. So what you could do is just go right click, go to media library and upload the folder, the file you want. Click on it and it will replace this picture. Now up here is your slides. You got slide 1, you got slide 2, you got slide 3. So let's say we want to go to slide 3 and play with it. So this is just a picture, very simple. Now there are a bunch of things that you could do over here. You can add a layer like text or a button. Like let's say we add a button, and here's the button right here. We can drag this over. We could do like a click here, right here. Um, and we can also, instead of click, we could say like shop now. And then we can change the color of this button or whatever by, the style button right here. This is all pretty advanced stuff, but you could drag it around. You could change the style of the color by playing with this stuff right here. For the most part, I mean, there's so many things you could do. Another thing is the animation, or when you click on this, like what you want it to do. So your action. So if I want that button to link somewhere, I'm going to say, okay, I want this to have a simple link, and here's the, click. The simple link is going to be right here. So I would put in my website address to the football category or a football page or wherever I want it to link. I would put that full URL in here, http colon, domain.com or whatnot. But for now, I'm just going to go ahead and go back to content, click on this. I'm just going to delete that out. Now, if you want to add a new slide, the best way to do it would be to come here and go, and there's things over here. One of the things, you could put it in the trash. You can make it invisible by clicking on this, or you can duplicate it. So let's say I wanted to duplicate it. It would create a fourth slide that would be just like this football picture. And I can go down to that fourth slide, and then I could go to media library and I can change that to, let's say, this picture. Insert. There we go. Now I've got 4 slides. I've got the football picture, I've got the fan picture, I've got the baseball picture, and the other baseball picture. Pretty simple. That's how you change slider. When you're done, you just click this save button at the very bottom, and it will save your program. And you could click this little W or back, or the W to get out and go back to the dashboard. And that's how you take care of that slider.